So hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about KTM and its bike in India. So KTM is an Austrian manufacturing company which was founded in 1934 and it came to India with Bajaj in 2012 and launched Duke 200 after Bajaj bought its stake in 2007. Although KTM has its different segment and models like MX, Enduro, Freeride, but in India we do have the Naked, Adventure and Super Sport much in demand. If we talk about the Naked segment, so here we have the KTM Duke 125, Duke 200, Duke 250, Duke 390 and the Duke 790. Moving further to the Adventure segment, currently we have only the 390 Adventure. And now the last segment is Super Sport and the models we have are RC 125, RC 200 and RC 390. So now as you are apprised of all the available models, let's get started with details and comparing them. And the first two in the list are Duke 125 and RC 125. Both bikes have 124.7cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine powered with 15 horsepower at 9,250 rpm and 12 Nm of torque at 8,000 rpm. Both are equipped with single-channel ABS and the USD Fox. Ground clearance of Duke is 175 mm, whereas for RC is 157 mm. Fuel tank capacity of Duke is 11 liters and for RC is 9.5 liters. Duke reaches 0 to 100 kph in 14.7 seconds, whereas RC covers in 14.6 seconds, which is almost same. The speedo indicated top speed for both is 120 kmph. Reported and collected data claims the mileage as of 45 kmpl for both the bikes. The tire size for both is same, that is for front the width is 110 mm, aspect ratio of 70 mm and the rim size of 17 inches, whereas for the rear the width of 150 mm, aspect ratio of 60 mm and the same rim size. Coming to the lights, the Duke comes with halogen headlights, whereas RC has the projected lamps, but they both have the LED tail lights. Now let's talk about the price. The Duke 125 is priced at 1.38 lakhs at showroom Delhi, whereas the RC 125 is priced at 1.55 lakh at showroom Delhi. Now let's talk about Duke 200 and RC 200. Both bikes have 199.5cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine powered with 25 HP at 10,000 rpm and 19.2 Nm of torque at 8,000 rpm. Both are equipped with double-channel ABS and the USD Fox. The ground clearance of Duke 200 is 170 mm, whereas for RC is 178.5 mm. Fuel tank capacity of Duke is 13.5 liters and for RC is 9.5 liters. Duke reaches 0 to 100 kmph in 9.2 seconds, whereas RC covers in 9.92 seconds. The speedo indicated top speed for both is 142 kmph. The reported and calculated data claims the mileage as of 35 kmpl for both the bikes. The tire and the wheel size for both bikes are same as of Duke 125 and RC 125. Talking about the lights, the Duke comes with halogen headlights and the RC comes with projector lights and the LED tail lights. Duke 200 is priced at 1.77 lakhs ex showroom and RC is priced at 2.01 lakhs ex showroom. The last comparison is between Duke 390 and RC 390. Both the bikes have 373.3cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine powered with 43.5 horsepower at 9,000 rpm. Duke has a 37 Nm of torque at 7,000 rpm, whereas RC has 36 Nm of torque at 7,000 rpm. Both are equipped with double-channel ABS, but Duke has a Bosch 9.1 MP Supermoto ABS. USD forks are same in both bikes as other models. Ground clearance for Duke is 175 mm and for RC is 178.5 mm. fuel tank capacity of Duke is 13.5 liters, whereas for RC is 9.5 liters. Duke reaches 0 to 100 kmph in 5.7 seconds and RC covers in 5.61 seconds. The speedo indicated top speed for Duke is 167 kmph and for RC is 169 kmph. The reported and collected data claims the mileage of 25 kmpl for both the bikes. Both Duke and RC comes with slipper clutch and Duke even comes with bidirectional quick shifter. The tire and wheel size for both are same as the other models. Here the Duke 390 comes with LED headlights and RC comes with projector lights, and both have the LED tail lights. So the Duke 390 is priced at 2.57 lakhs ex-showroom and RC is priced at 2.53 lakhs ex-showroom. Now let's talk about Duke 250. It is powered with 248.8cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine which produces 30 horsepower at 9000 rpm and 24 Nm of torque at 7500 rpm. It is equipped with double-channel ABS with Supermoto mode and USD Fox. Ground clearance of Duke 250 is 185 mm. The fuel tank capacity is 13.5 liters and it reaches 0 to 100 kmph in 8.64 seconds. The speedo indicated top speed is 148 kmph. The reported and collected data claims the mileage as of 30 kmpl and tire and wheel size is same as of the previous models. Duke 250 comes with halogen headlights and it's priced at 2.05 lakhs ex-showroom. After Duke 250 we have Duke 790 which is powered by 799cc parallel twins liquid cooled engine which produces 105 HP at 9000 rpm and 86 Nm of torque at 8000 rpm. It comes with double channel cornering ABS, traction control, launch control and telescopic forks. The ground clearance is 186 mm with fuel tank capacity of 14 liters. It covers 0 to 100 kmph in 3.7 seconds and has a top speed of 220 kmph. As reported by KTM, the mileage of Duke 790 is 22 kmpl. The tire and wheel sizes 120 mm width, 70 mm aspect ratio and ZR17 for front and 180 mm width, 55 mm aspect ratio, ZR17 for rear. Here Z represents the maximum speed capability of tire, that is 240 kmph. Duke 790 comes with slipper clutch and bidirectional quick shifter and 4 riding modes, that is rain, street, sport and track mode. So after packed up with all these many features, Duke 790 is priced at 8.64 lakhs ex-showroom. Coming to the end, the last bike is 390 Adventure, powered by 373.2cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine which produces 44 horsepower at 9000 rpm and 37 Nm of torque at 7000 rpm. It comes with double-channel ABS including off-road mode and is disengageable. It also comes with USD Fox. The ground clearance is 200 mm with fuel tank capacity of 14.5 liters. It covers 0 to 100 kmph in 6.07 seconds and has a top speed of 155 kmph. The reported data claims the mileage of 25 kmpl. The 390 Adventure comes with Bluetooth connectivity, traction control and switchable ABS as I told before. It also comes with slipper clutch and bidirectional quick shifter. The tire and wheel size of this bike is totally different from the other models as being an adventurer class motorcycle. The front dimensions are 100 mm width, 90 mm aspect ratio and rim size 19 inches. And for the rear, it's 130 mm width, 80 mm aspect ratio and the rim size of 17 inches. After all these features, 390 Adventure is priced at 3.04 lakhs ex-showroom. So now let's end this video here. I hope you all liked it, and if so then hit the like button, share, subscribe and comment down your views and let me know how was the video so that I should keep coming up with this type of videos in future. Till then, take care, bye bye.